Hello, everyone. Welcome to Revolution Games Academy. In this video, we'll learn about the arrays and lists in Unity. These data structures are essential for organizing and managing collections of data in your games. Whether it's tracking players' scores, managing an inventory, or organizing enemies in a scene, arrays and lists are invaluable tools. Let's explore how they work. What is an array? An array is a fixed-size collection of elements of the same type. Think of it like a row of lockers where each locker holds a value and you know exactly how many lockers there are. Arrays are perfect for scenarios where you know the number of elements in advance and don't expect it to change during gameplay. Now, see the example script for array. We declare an int array called player scores to store 5 player scores. Using a for loop, we print the scores to the console before and after sorting them with system.array.sort method. Arrays are efficient and simple to use, but remember, they're static, so their size cannot change during gameplay. Output for arrays, player score script. What is in lists? Lists, on the other hand, are dynamic. Think of a list like a bag where you can add or remove items as needed. Lists are perfect for situations where the number of elements is unpredictable, like managing a player's inventory or tracking enemies in a scene. Next, we'll see about how to use lists. To use lists in Unity, include the system.collections.generic namespace. With lists, you can add items using add method. Remove items using remove method. Check if an item exists with contains method. Now, see the example script for lists. We declare a list string called inventory to store the player's items. Items like S-word, shield, and health potion are added using add method. We remove the shield using remove method. And check if the S-word exists using contain. Output for lists, item inventory script. Why use arrays instead of lists? Performance. Arrays are generally faster than lists for operations on fixed-size data because they have less overhead. If you don't need to resize or modify the collection, arrays are more efficient. Memory efficiency. Arrays use less memory compared to lists since they don't require additional memory for dynamic resizing. Simple data structures. Arrays are straightforward and are sufficient when the size of the collection is known and fixed. Compatibility. Some APIs or legacy code may specifically require arrays. Next, why use lists instead of arrays? Dynamic resizing. Lists can grow or shrink dynamically, making them ideal for collections where the size is not fixed. Easy of use. Lists provide built-in methods, add, remove, contains, etc., that simplify working with data. Flexibility. Lists allow you to insert or remove elements at runtime without needing to reinitialize the collection. Readability and maintenance. Lists are easier to manage in dynamic scenarios, making your code more readable and maintainable. Summary. Use arrays when performance is critical and the size of the collection is fixed. Use lists when the size of the collection can change or when you need convenient methods for manipulation. Arrays and lists are foundational tools in Unity for organizing and managing game data. Whether you're working with fixed-size arrays or dynamic lists, mastering these structures will make your game logic more efficient and easier to manage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.